Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys a video about the project that me and my friend did for our embedded systems class. So the parts of the robot that we were making are as the ones he's showing you right now. First we have the Arduino Uno, which was the main programmable board, and then we have the USB hot shield, which is going to connect to our phone, and then finally the motor shield, which as you can see is already connected to the front servo motor and the rear motor. Okay, so before we go forward, let me take a minute or two to explain the main idea behind our project. So what we were thinking was to make an RC car and hack it so that we can make it run using video feed it receives from the phone. So to do that, we programmed the Arduino board, which is right here. As you can see, it's already attached to the USB host shield. So the USB host shield will be used to connect the phone to it so that it can receive the video. Next, we'll attach the motor shield to both the two boards. After that is done, we'll have our final product, or the car. So now that it's attached, we will connect the final car, as you can see right here, to our phone, and hopefully we can see it run. Now finally, for the all important test phase, as you can see, the car is detecting motion in front of the camera, and that motion is sent to the car right here, which makes it move. Once more, yeah. Thank you for viewing our video, and we hope you like it.